The depth and breadth of coal processing are developing rapidly. The output of slime is increasing obviously, and the comprehensive utilization of slime has become an urgent problem to be solved. With the continuous development of cutting-edge new technology, coal slime ball press equipment is also steadily continuous innovation, such as in the noise control of coal slime ball press. The noise of the equipment produced today is much smaller than in the past. The power consumption is greatly reduced, and the pelletizing rate of raw materials is also getting higher and higher, further reduce the probability of raw material rework. Slime ball press is now widely used in related industries, such as energy, chemical industry, power plant industry, transportation industry, and metallurgy industry. The use of slime ball press, it can be those remaining in the final difficult to press forming, some refractory materials for pressing forming. Its use can greatly save a lot of energy.